In this video, I'm going to review these VIJIM lights that are currently on Amazon for $19. Are you kidding me? Anyway, let's get to it. Welcome to Dad's Den Tech Reviews. My name is Ken Lee. I help you work smarter, not harder, by reviewing everyday items you might find on Amazon or other websites. And I review them for you so you don't have to. I do all the hard work for you guys. So thank you. And if you want to say thank you, you can just hit that subscribe button. And as always, the item that I'm reviewing, which is the VIJIM lights here, there's going to be a link down in the description. You guys can click on that to learn more about it, or you can just straight up purchase it from that link as well. Also, everything else that I'm using in this room, from my lighting equipment to the cameras to the microphones, everything else, links down in the description. You guys can check out my gear. So you probably clicked on this video because you're looking for a light that you can click on the top of your camera, or even like a phone mount or something like that because you're vlogging or you're out at night, you want to get some night shots, things of that nature, or you just want to brighten up a shot a little bit. You don't have a lot of money and you don't want to break the bank doing it. After all, that's why I bought these. So little disclaimer, I was holding up two when I said they're $19.95. They're one for $19.95. You can also purchase two of them. They have like a 2-pack for $38.99. Before I get into the things that I love about this light, because there are some things that are incredible about it for $19.95. However, let's talk about the different functions. USB-C type charging, so it charges really fast. Light can last up to 3 hours. It didn't quite last that long for me. Give me about 2.5, but that's running at the brightest level too. So keep that in mind. The brighter you go, the more power it's going to use. Flip of a switch, you're on. You can dim it here on this side, make it brighter, make it less. You can actually even change the color mode. You want it to be a little bit more yellow. You want it to be a little bit more white. Pick which one you want. You can put it right in the middle. I already have a soft lamp over here. I've got a window over here, and I've got another soft lamp up going facing the ceiling over there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this thing below my chin. I'm actually going to turn on so you can see how bright this is. This is the lowest level here. And as I brighten it up, you can see it raising up there. And that's how bright that is. So that is below my chin, down at the table level. You can even put it in your studio like this. You can have it up on the side, give yourself a little bit more light on this side if you wanted to. I mean, look at that. That's pretty darn good. I might have to use that. I wasn't even thinking about that, but look at that. That looks so much better with that light. I think I might do that. On the back of it, it has 4 bars. If it's all 4 bars, that means you're fully charged. Basically, it's just your charging level. The other thing here, once you mount it, full rotation, you can rotate this all the way this way, all the way that way. As mentioned, it has the hot shoot here, so you can put this on top of a camera if it already has one, or you can get yourself a little tripod that they give you an option to purchase for like GoPros. You can put them with your cell phones. A little point and shoot camera like this. Just get your little mount up here, your little tripod, and you can slap it on there as well. Now let's get to the fun stuff. This thing is so cool. On all 4 sides, it has a slot here. Okay, you can attach multiple lights together. So if one's not bright enough, you attach them and now you've got 2. You can do this as many times as you want. There's actually attachments you have. I just use the hot shoots and connect them to the hot shoots. But you could put 6 of these together to create some amazing lighting situation going on. I'm actually gonna show you a couple pictures because I only got 2 lights, but I'm gonna show you a couple pictures of how people are using these in multiple light situations, and it's pretty darn cool. The other thing too with these cold shoe mounts is if you wanna use this, put this on top of your camera, and then you can also attach a microphone here, put it right in that hot shoot, so you can do multiple things here. You can have 3 different lights going across, plus a microphone, a boom mic. You can do all kinds of stuff with this, which is really neat. The one last thing that I really like about this is the actual build of these. Now they are plastic, but they're actually durable hard plastic, right? And you don't need to worry about changing out any of the fronts or anything like this. This is a hard plastic here because it has the ability to go from like a warm light to a cold light or anything in between. It's really nice because you can get some different color settings and some different tones on your face and, you know, skin tones and things that you're looking for, right? So if I wanted to go a little bit more warm, I can go here. If I wanted to go more white and like a cold light, I could do like that. This is what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna actually turn off all my lamps. I'm gonna put this on top of the camera so you can see how bright these lights are. So now I'm only using the lights from here. I did get a little closer because this would be a normal arm's reach from my camera if I'm vlogging, but this is the brightness that you're gonna get. Wow, I just looked right into the light. That was bright. But this is the light level that you're gonna get. I'm actually a little too far away. Can't quite reach the camera. So I'm arms, that's where I'm at right now, just so you can kind of see the distance that I am from the camera, and I'm using these lights. So I'm going to give these 5 out of 5 stars. I have to for $19.95. And the way that I do my star rating is basically by a price. I check out the value. Is the value worth that price? And for this, yes, I would probably pay $30 for one of these, to be honest with you. This is how good the lights are. They last long, easy to charge, great color. They're bright. And with the 4 cold shoe mounts on them, I can do all kinds of other stuff with it. Dude, it's a steal, you guys. This is great. They're on sale right now, $19.95 on Amazon. Link is down in the description if you guys want to learn more about it or if you just want to go purchase one of these. Also, they have the option to get the 2-pack. So again, link down in the description. Go check it out. That's going to wrap up this review, but I think you're going to want to watch this one over here as well. So check that out.